Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how we use the share functions in MKT Insta software. These functions allow you to let the Instagram account automatically share the post to other people. First, we choose the category that we want to run, those accounts, and the general configuration. The distance between two actions usually we set from 5 to 10 seconds. You could lengthen it or shorten it depending on your demand, and transfer account if consecutive error, we set it to 10 times. And with the content configuration, you could choose according to the content available, and we choose the content here as long as we create the content in content management. With the share configurations, we could choose like enter share with the share link. We could enter the link here. For example, we have a post link like this. We copy the link and paste to the software. Um, I have one link, and each account shares the post how many times, like one time, and each link shared to how many user. For example, I want to share this link to 5 users, so I said to 5. And we could tick on no duplicate share user, and we just enter the user that we want to share here. For example, some user here. Okay, we just copy it and we paste here. And we could choose like delete user after share successfully. The software will automatically delete the user from the link that we import after sharing to that people successfully. And after all we said, we click on begin to run the configurations, share the post to other people. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you in our next video. Goodbye.